Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. In this video we are going to see how to crochet this beautiful spring blossom earring just in time for spring. These earrings are very colorful and easy to make. They are made from fine crochet thread. Come on, let's see how to crochet this beautiful spring blossom earrings. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the yarn bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm using this fine crochet thread for crocheting these earrings and 1.25mm crochet hook. I've seen this thread available in Etsy. Many sellers sell them. So with the green thread, I'm going to make a magic ring, and then I will be working 12 single crochet around the magic ring. So once I'm done crocheting 12 single crochet, I will work a slip stitch on top of my starting single crochet to close this round one, and then I will tighten the magic ring and then I will secure it with the knot. And I will be using this very fine safety pin as my stitch marker because the thread itself is very fine. So this is a tip that I can give you while working with this such a fine thread. So you might sometime lose your first stitch because the stitches are very small for you to notice. So continue working 12 single crochet around the magic ring and work a slip stitch on top of your starting single crochet. So before I start with row 2, I'm going to change my crochet thread color to the pink shade, and once you change the color, just secure it with a knot. So then I'm going to work chain 3 with this pink yarn or thread, and then I work a double crochet on the next stitch, and then I work chain 3. So I'm just securing the yarn with a knot. So I'm going to work a chain 3, which is considered as my first double crochet, and then I work a double crochet on the next stitch, and then once I work a double crochet on the next stitch, I'm going to work a chain 3. So we are going to work 1 double crochet each on the 2 stitches followed by a chain 3 space. So we'll have 2 consecutive double crochet and then a chain 3 space in between. So I'm done with chain 3. I'm going to work 1 double crochet each on next 2 stitches, and then I will work a chain 3. So continue working like this around, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3, which is our first double crochet, to close this round 2. So for round 3, before I start, I'm gonna work a slip stitch until I reach my chain 3 space, and then to start with I will work a chain 2 and double crochet 2 together. The idea is we are going to work double crochet 3 together around. So starting we'll have chain 2, double crochet 2 together, and then I work a chain 4 space and then work double crochet 3 together, all in the chain 3 space, and then I work a chain 4. So I worked double chain 2 double crochet 2 together and then chain 4, and then I'm going to work double crochet 3 together. So we have 2 double crochet 3 together and a chain 4 space, all in the chain 3 space, all worked in the chain 3 space, and then we work a chain 4 space to reach to the next chain 3 space. So on the next chain 3 space I'm going to work double crochet 3 together, chain 4, double crochet 3 together, and then to reach the next chain 3 space I'm going to work a chain 4. So we are going to continue like this around, and then we'll end this round 3 by working a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 2 double crochet 2 together. So for round 4 I'm gonna work a slip stitch until I reach my chain 4 space. So this is how it looks so far. So I'm gonna work a slip stitch to reach to my chain 4 space. Then I will work chain 1. This does not count as a stitch. Then I work 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet, all in the chain 4 space. So every chain 4 space we are going to work 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet. So continue working like this around. So we are working 2 single crochet, chain 3, 2 single crochet on every chain 4 spaces around, and then we will work a slip stitch on top of our starting single crochet to close this round 4. So with this our earring will be complete. So keep working like this around. So here it is. I've weaved in my ends, and then I've cut off the excess threads, and here it is, my spring blossom earrings, and it's kind of wobbling, as I always say, because we use fine thread. So we can stiffen this up by blocking it. I always say how the method for blocking in my videos. I use one part of white glue and one part of water, mix them together, dip this work, and then leave it, air dry it for about 24 hours. It should stiffen up. Look, this is my work after it's been blocked for about 12 hours, and I've added in some earring hoops to that. So it looks very colorful, and it looks very bright in spring colors. I've also had a few other crochet thread in spring colors, and I've done the same earrings with those thread as well. So they are pretty spring colors, so I named them as spring blossom earrings. So it's a perfect gift, a quick one to make too. So, and they're very bright and colorful. So I've seen people asking me what should I do very quick for the spring sale events and stalls. This is a very good choice for you. You can make them in minutes, and they look so cute and colorful too. It's a perfect gifting option as well. Try this at home and let me know your comments below. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.